Hey everybody, I'm Adam Solko with Edina Realty out of the Minnetonka office, and today I'm joined by Bart Anderson. He is the regional manager for Edina Realty Mortgage, and today we're talking about FHA loans. Specifically, Bart, why would you choose to use an FHA loan versus not?
Sure. Good question, Adam. Thanks. The general types of financing typically consist of conventional financing, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA financing, and VA, which those are both government insured types of financing. All A paper financing, prime financing, so have great, use for the appropriate buyer. The FHA financing, probably the advantages to using that over conventional. First of all, you may not always qualify for conventional. There is more stringent credit score requirements, more limits on how much you can afford based on your income. It's just a little bit more stringent qualifying process for conventional, which obviously then makes FHA a great choice because it does have a bit less, scrutiny on that.
Okay.
So that is one thing that can come into play, that it's your only option basically, but it's still a great option to buy a home. The other thing is with conventional financing, there are definitely adjusters that come into the mix that adjust the rate that you might get or the mortgage insurance payment that you might get if your credit score is a bit lower. And it doesn't even have to be a real low credit score, it's just that conventional does build on those adjusters. So when we look at it at options, if even that buyer is qualified conventionally, but the parameters that are coming together based on credit are just not as favorable as FHA, we definitely want to look at the FHA and go over all the options there and why that might be a better choice. It can very well mean a lower payment, a lower interest rate versus the conventional. So those are probably the reasons why FHA comes into the mix. Most just offers options that might be better for that potentially lower credit score buyer. So,
Right. Sounds like there's some really great options for people. And I think a great place to start is talking to a loan officer. If you want more information about FHA loans, there's going to be links in the description. And of course, reach out anytime if you want to learn more and have a conversation with either one of us.